Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and let us complete the work in the field. Later I'll carry you soon in a journey of new story. Lessons in love. So now let's go. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the base of a mountain, lived a humble farmer named Jonathan with his young son Joe. Jonathan had always been a man of few words, expressing his love through hard work and providing for his family. Joe, however, longed for verbal affirmation, feeling that his father's silence meant indifference. One day, severe drought hit the village, and the crops that Jonathan had painstakingly nurtured began to wither. The village faced famine, and Jonathan's normally stoic exterior began to crack under the pressure. Joe, watching his father struggle, felt helpless and began to resent the lack of warmth in their relationship. One evening, while sitting outside, Joe confronted his father. "Why do you never say you love me? Why do you hide behind your work?" Jonathan looked at his son with tired eyes and said, "My son, love is not always spoken. It's shown. Every seed I plant, every drop of sweat I shed is for you, my son. But maybe I have forgotten that sometime words matter too." The next day, Joe noticed that his father toiling in the fields under the blazing sun despite the failing crops. Inspired by his father's silent strength, Joe decided to help. Together they worked tirelessly, not only for themselves but also for the struggling villagers. Joe began to understand that his father's love was not in grand gestures or words, but in the unwavering dedication and sacrifice. As they labored side by side, Jonathan finally spoke the words that Joe had longed to hear. "I love you, my son. My every breath is for you." And in that moment, Joe realized that love is not confined to words, it is in actions, perseverance, and the willingness to keep going even when times are tough. The drought eventually passed, and the village slowly recovered. But more importantly, the bonds between Jonathan and Joe had grown stronger, built not only on understanding but on the unspoken lesson in love they had learned together. In last, moral of the story is, love is not always spoken, it is shown through action, sacrifice, and resilience. True love endures hardship and grows stronger through understanding and shared experiences. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's